Hi, my name is Lesley-Ann Crumpton. I served in the United States Army on the active duty side from 2009 to 2017. I achieved the rank of captain in the military police corps. I had one tour in Afghanistan in 2013 where I served with Joint Special Operations Command, and I provided detainee operations for them. So I would say that when I first joined the military, I definitely joined for patriotic reasons. I really felt the sense of duty that I needed to serve my country and also to really push myself to my greatest extent. I really liked the fact that my community was really supportive of the military, and it's gave me a sense of purpose. I've since found out that there is amazing benefits to being in the service. Right now I'm executing my GI Bill, and we know in this country there is a mounting amount of student debt, which I don't have any of that, and I'm going for my second master's. So that's definitely a huge benefit. And I graduated in my undergraduate in 2008 and entered, shortly after into the service, and that was during a huge recession. So I didn't realize how awesome it was that I had a job lined up. So job security is a really big thing that can help with your service. And, it was an opportunity to just go around the world and serve with so many different types of people. So it was a chance to get some experience that you just really can't get anywhere else. So I'd say that's like some of the top reasons why women should serve in the military.